record it in with the stuff? Sure. Like right there.
It might just sit there.
Just keep doing it and see if we can get them looking.